Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are unboxing what I consider to be one of the most powerful laptops on the market right now. The brand new Surface laptop in this premium 15-inch configuration. Let's find out what it has to offer. I have been a dedicated Surface user for years, and I currently use Surface Pro X that I bought back in 2019. And that device is not able to match with my scale and velocity in 2025. Moreover, laptops for me have to feel right in the hand and on the desk. And the Surface line has always delivered a distinct premium experience that the other manufacturers struggle to match. And now you will hear a lot of talks about the McBook. Sure, it looks trendy and it is a good machine, but honestly, it is just not the device for me. I'm sticking with the platform I know and I trust, especially when it brings this level of innovation. What I have here in my hand is one of the top tier model. It comes with Snapdragon X Elite processor with 32 GB of RAM, 1 TB of SSD. The only difference between this model and the top tier is that the RAM is doubled. So let's steer into this box and see if the Surface truly lives up to its pedigree.